Hey guys, it's me, Lloyd78AJ here, back with another video, and I'm pretty sure my new LPS came, besides this one, and it's right here. Obviously I have my address scribbled out and stuff, so yeah, and I'm not really don't want to show like where it's from, like, I don't really know if I should or I shouldn't. But yeah, so I'll let you guys get the first look. And so let us see what it is. Which probably is an LPS. Piece of paper. Oh, it's just wrapped. It's even more of a mystery. But it is the Littlest Pet Shop that I was hoping for. It's this little fox. So let's get it out of the package. It was more of a mystery. Yay! So here it is. It's the light orange fox. And you can see that these are definitely from different generations. This is from like the same generation as my collie. So it's honestly pretty big for a Littlest Pet Shop. Wait, let's but compared to my fennec fox, it's pretty much the same size. So here it is from the front, side, back, the other side, and then underneath, pretty normal, and then up top. These came way before it said they would come. It said they would come before May. It said they would come May 23rd to June 26th, and they didn't come that far apart from each other. So I have that little bracelet. I'm gonna have to get an accessory for my little fox. Anyways, you'll be seeing this character in videos now, so sorry, I'm just checking something. Anyways, yay! I hope you guys enjoyed this short unboxing. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe. Good.